Hi again, I'm Lidolf, Senior Product Analyst at Unleashed. I have the pleasure to present the first What's New from Unleashed video for 2022. In this edition, I'll take you through the enhancements we released in January and February this year. I'm excited to share these updates with you, which I know will streamline your inventory management and decision-making process, particularly because they impact how you can view, interpret, capture and share your Unleashed insights using business intelligence. Additional sales revenue dimensions. We have added more dimensions to BI Vision, so you can now see sales revenue by sales group, warehouse and transaction type. These dimensions give you new views to assess your sales revenue performance and make more informed business decisions. Full page PDF screenshot. Reporting and communicating your sales and customer insights from BI Foundation and Vision is now easier with the new screenshot function. You can take a full page screenshot of your BI page, capturing all the information, including everything you see on the screen and below. Your Unleashed app generates a PDF file which includes a link back to the corresponding page in BI, so anyone with the right permission can follow the link and view the latest page and data. BI Vision Sales Channel Bar Chart. The Sales Channel Pie Chart is now presented in a bar chart format. This may seem like a small update, but it is a significant one, since it gives you a clear view of your sales channel data, including any negative values. Bar chart views for products and customers. We updated the products and customer chart on the BI Vision sales page. These charts have been updated to display your top 25 customers or products by default, rather than the segmented pentile chart you used to see. Like most BI Vision dimensions, you can still easily change your views of this data. For example, you can choose to view your top 100 products or customers, or view your products or customers segmented according to the measures selected. BI Foundation CSV Export. You can now export the data of your sales and customer timeline charts into different file types, including CSV files. This is useful for further analysis or sharing. That's a wrap for January and February releases. But as usual, we have more on the horizon, including API updates, BI Vision enhancements and more. Remember, many of these updates have come from you, so please continue to give us your feedback and any new ideas for enhancements you'd like to see in the future by visiting our feedback page. Thanks for watching and see you next time.